Let's take up preparation of phenols. First, we are preparing phenol from chlorobenzene. Chlorobenzene does not undergo nucleophilic substitution reaction readily because of double bond character in 3 out of 5 resonating structures. So we have to carry out hydrolysis with the help of NaOH at 623 Kelvin and 300 atmospheric pressure. Phenols being acidic in nature, we get sodium phenoxide. So if we acidify with HCl, we'll get phenol. Second, we are getting it from benzene sulfonic acid. First step is sulfonation. Benzene reacts with oleum. Oleum is fuming sulfuric acid. That is, concentrated sulfuric acid when saturated with SO3, we get oleum. And this leads to sulfonation of benzene, which is called benzene sulfonic acid. Remember, in sulfonation, the electrophile is SO3. Benzene sulfonic acid, when reacts with NaOH, it gives sodium salt of benzene sulfonic acid, which is fused with NaOH to get sodium phenoxide, followed by acidification will give you phenol. Next, we are taking from diazonium salt. Diazotization is carried out with aniline with the help of NaNO2 plus HCl, but reaction must be carried out from 0 to 5 degrees centigrade because diazonium salt are stable only at low temperature. So we are carrying out reaction from 273 to 278 Kelvin. Product formed is benzene diazonium chloride. Benzene diazonium chloride, when warmed with water, it gives phenol plus nitrogen plus HCl is formed. So this is important conversion. Convert aniline to phenol or convert benzene diazonium chloride to phenol. Next, we are taking from cumene. Cumene is isopropyl benzene 2-phenyl propane. Cumene, when treated with air or oxygen on heating, it forms cumene hydroperoxide. This is called cumene hydroperoxide. It is followed by hydrolysis. This bond breaks, acetone gets separated, OH forms bond with benzene, we get phenol. So this is the method in which we have converted cumene to phenol. Next method, we are taking decarboxylation. Para-chlorobenzoic acid, when treated with NaOH, it gives you para-hydroxy sodium benzoate. This compound, when treated with soda lime is carrying out decarboxylation. Means this group will be removed in the form of Na2CO3. We will get phenol. Next, we are taking para-nitrochlorobenzene. Now, chlorobenzene is difficult to undergo nucleophilic substitution reaction with NaOH, but if nitro group is attached on the benzene ring, the nucleophilic substitution reaction becomes easier. So NaCl will be removed, we'll get para-nitrophenol. So this is also nucleophilic substitution reaction which is carried out faster as compared to chlorobenzene to get para-nitrophenol. Raschig process. Raschig process can be used to prepare chlorobenzene from benzene using HCl and air in the presence of copper iron catalyst. It results in the formation of chlorobenzene plus water. Chlorobenzene, when treated with steam at high temperature at 425 degrees centigrade, product formed is phenol plus HCl. Next, coal tar distillation gives us 3 major fractions. First is light oil fraction, which contains benzene, toluene and xylene, that is mixture of hydrocarbons. Second is middle oil fraction of coal tar distillation, contains the phenolic compounds. This fraction is used for commercial production of phenols. Phenol is present which can be obtained by coal tar distillation of middle oil fraction at 181 to 182 degrees centigrade. Crysols, that is ortho, meta, para, methyl phenols. Ortho, meta, para, methyl phenols are called crysols. Boiling point ranges from 190 to 203 degrees centigrade. Xylenols, boiling point range is 211 to 255 degrees centigrade. They can be obtained from middle oil fraction of coal tar distillation. Heavy oil fraction also contains 7% phenols and it is commercial source of phenols which can be obtained by fractional distillation. From Grignard reagent also we can get phenol. So first we are preparing Grignard reagent from bromobenzene. bromobenzene reacts with magnesium in presence of ether. It should be prepared in anhydrous conditions because water will react with Grignard reagent to form benzene. So we are using ether as a solvent and now with water can't be used. It will result in the formation of phenyl magnesium bromide, which reacts with oxygen or nascent oxygen to form phenoxymagnesium bromide, which followed by hydrolysis gives us phenol. So this is method of preparation of phenol from Grignard reagent.